and it is now warm. The rain has finally subsided a little bit here in Colorado, but along with that rain has also come a really high mosquito burden. So that's something to keep in mind. With all the moisture, we're going to have a lot more bugs out and about, especially mosquitoes, which of course are the carrier of heartworm. And we've talked about that before, but this is going to be a year when heartworm prevention is going to be extremely important. So starting them on that sooner than later is going to be the best bet. Also, we want to test them preemptively. You want to make sure that we aren't heartworm positive before we start that prevention. It's a quick, easy test. We have an in-house test that we can do. It takes about 10 minutes to run that. We can also send it out with a full panel that goes to our laboratory. That gives us an option to also find out about liver values, kidney values, just some great overall information about your pet as well. Being summertime, out and about, you're camping, you're hiking, watch for water areas where there's puddles, streams, creeks. Giardia is very prevalent here in Colorado, and we see a lot of clients coming in with animals having forms of diarrhea, things that they just weren't expecting, a sudden onset, and often that can be picking up Giardia because they've been out and about and in those waterways. Flea tick prevention as well, and especially if you're up in the area where I come from, up in the mountains, you're going to have access to ticks in those locations, not as much as some parts of the country, but we definitely have it. And fleas are here year-round. May not see them real frequently, but anytime you have rodents, mice, rabbits, animals like that, there are fleas as well. So if they're getting into the bedding where your animals stay, you have barns, you have mice in the hay, things like that, those fleas can definitely be transferred from those animals to yours. Fleas are also a carrier of tapeworms, so there is a huge cycle there between parasites and some of those annoyances that we come across. So the best thing you can do is give us a call or go into your veterinarian, have some heartworm testing done just to make sure your animal is safe, and start some of those easy preventatives just to make your year and your summer a better one.